Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to record a video using snipping tool on your Windows 11. So actually snipping tool is a screenshot tool. It will use for capturing the screenshot on Windows 11. Now it will update it to screen recorder as well as. So this is the latest and new update for Windows 11. So for this guys, what you need to do, you need to press Windows key button from your keyboard, and then here you need to search snipping tool like this and open that snipping tool app on your PC like this. Okay, after opening guys, here you can get two options now. Okay, to capture the screenshot and to record your video. Now you need to select the record video option like this and then click on new. Okay, like this. Now select your screen which you want to record. So I have selected all screen, my full screen like this. You can also record the crop window screen using this app, and then here in the toolbar of the snipping tool, if you want to record your voice, you need to enable your microphone from here. So the by default the option was set to mute. Just you need to uncheck this box. Now it will record your voice as well as. Okay, and then if you want to record, just click on start button. Okay, like this. Now the screen recording will start. Okay, after the countdown. Now our screen was recording with our voice. So after the recording was completed, from here you can easily able to pause as well as you can easily able to stop this. Now I want to stop this. Just click on this red box like this. Now your screen recorder was stopped. So the screen recorder file was automatically saved to your screen recording folder. Okay, and if you want to play this file from here, you can easily able to play that file like this, as you can see guys. Okay, so in case this option, this feature is not showing on your Windows PC to record the video using snipping tool, at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to update your Windows 11 as first of all. Okay, to update your Windows 11, open the settings, and in the settings from the left panel here you can get the option Windows Update. Click on it. From here you can easily able to update your PC. Okay, so this is the first method. So one more method you can try. You need to update the snipping tool app from your Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search the snipping tool app here, and if the app update is available, simply go ahead update the app. Okay, so this is the second method. So in case this method is also not working with you, now you can try the last method. Now you need to reset your snipping tool app. So press Windows key button, and here you need to search snipping tool. Right click on that tool like this and open the app settings from here. In the app setting, you can easily able to reset repair your snipping tool app. Scroll down here, you can get the option reset and repair. Try this both method one by one and it will fix your issue. Now you are good to go to record your screen using snipping tool. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.